Market diversity and their changing needs make laboratories face new packaging challenges. Invest in machinery or additional resources, or outsource processes. We have the solution: ComboPack, the service that will increase the efficiency of your packing lines. ComboPack consists of the addition of a secondary packaging material, leaflets, or promotional material to a carton. ComboPack service is aimed to improve efficiency when there are manually packed products, having to incorporate big and complex leaflets. There's an occasional need to insert several materials. There are not enough feeders in the packing lines. It is performed at the gluing station. The folding carton enters the gluing machine. The injector head applies the glue. The feeder dispenses the leaflet or the promotional material inside the folding carton. The artificial inspection system checks the presence of the material, its location, and reads, for example, a selected text. The folding carton, together with the added material, continues the usual process on the gluing machine. Cartons will be rejected if the material is not correctly glued. There are clear advantages of using ComboPack. Optimizes efficiency in packing lines. Delegate operations that do not add value to your supplier. Reduces processes and stocks and product differentiation. ComboPack is the solution you've been waiting for. Explore all the advantages ComboPack can offer you.